Wow, you have got to see this gourmet lover's kitchen. There's amazing counters and countertop space. There's super views of the Sandias from both downstairs and upstairs. There's 4 bedrooms and 3 with ensuite bathrooms, so you can pick your master. And 1 bedroom and ensuite has a separate exterior entrance. The property sits on almost an acre, and there's a huge 2-door, 3 or 4 car garage and workshop, in addition to the attached single car garage. There's a great room with a Trombe wall on the south side for super winter efficiency, and with 2x6 walls full of extra insulation, utility bills are low year-round. Custom flourishes throughout this home. This is a must-see. For more information, contact John or Elizabeth Sides at Coldwell Banker.